What's up, you guys? I want to welcome you to week 1. Okay, if you haven't seen the getting started or the welcome video, please watch that first. Okay, that's found in the announcements, and it's also found in the getting started learning module, which is just the one above the week 1 learning module. Okay, so basically in week 1, we're obviously working on chapter 1. I believe there's 3 different lessons in there. There's obviously lesson 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Just go ahead and click on them, work your way through it, learn the concepts. There's a lot of practice activities there. Okay, then when you're done, there's something called additional practice. Okay, you'll see it listed there. That's the homework. Okay, that would be the next step. Click on that, work on the homework. Okay, then there's a chapter quiz. Okay, which is found at the bottom of the learning module. It is not timed and you have only one attempt. However, it must be taken at one sitting. You can't leave and then log out and log back in and continue. Okay. Now, there's 2 other activities that are due in week 1. There's a discussion, which is basically you just introducing yourself in Spanish using the vocabulary and grammatical structures that you learned, obviously, in chapter 1. Okay. You should make your post by Thursday night. And to receive full credit, you must make at least 3 posts. Okay, so once again, your original post introducing yourself, and then you need to make at least 2 questions or comments in Spanish on your classmates' posts. Okay, and that's due Sunday night by midnight or 11:59. Okay, there's also a cultural activity that's due. It's called a passport activity. There'll be one due almost every week, and it's dealing with New Mexico and Hispanic culture in the United States. And there's a bunch of different topics you can choose. Okay, so you'll choose a topic, you'll research that topic, and then you'll make a video in English so you can express yourself. And then you'll submit that also by Sunday night before 11:59. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know.